What if I told you that right now? 3 penny stocks under $5 could explode in 2025. These aren't random hype plays. These are real companies, innovating in artificial intelligence, clean energy, and digital finance, all quietly gaining momentum while Wall Street sleeps on them. And here's the best part. Each one of these stocks trades under $5 today. If you believe in buying low and catching the wave early, you're going to want to see this video to the end. Let's dive in. Before we jump into the list, here's the truth. Small-cap innovation stocks are waking up again. After months of correction, investors are finally rotating back into growth. AI is fueling new sectors, green energy is resurging, and fintech adoption is rising worldwide. That's why I've narrowed down 3 penny stocks that could deliver massive upside, not based on hype, but on data, partnerships, and real progress. Number 1. SoundHound AI. SoundHound builds cutting-edge voice recognition systems for cars, restaurants, and smart devices. They're basically teaching machines how to understand human language in real time. You've already heard their tech. It's in Hyundai, Kia, and Mercedes-Benz vehicles, and even in drive-through voice ordering across major restaurant chains. The company's revenue has grown over 60% year over year, and analysts project continued growth as AI voice assistants become standard across industries. The voice AI market could hit $50 billion by 2030, and SoundHound is one of the few pure-play names under $5. Yes, it's volatile, but that's what creates the potential for explosive returns. If they land 1 or 2 more major deals, this stock could easily double or triple heading into 2025. Next up, C3.ai, ticker AI. Now technically this stock bounces around the $5 line, but it still fits our list. C3.ai develops enterprise-level AI software used by defense agencies, utilities, and manufacturers. Their technology helps companies detect fraud, forecast demand, and optimize energy use. It's basically plug-and-play AI for billion-dollar corporations. C3.ai partners with Shell, Baker Hughes, and the U.S. Air Force, and they're expanding fast. Yes, it's been beaten down since its IPO, but that's exactly why long-term investors are watching closely. As the AI boom matures, the market will reward companies with proven enterprise clients, and C3.ai is leading that pack. Analysts believe its revenue could accelerate sharply in 2025, making these prices look cheap in hindsight. Finally, a stock that most retail investors haven't even heard of yet. Terawulf, ticker WULF. Terawulf started as a Bitcoin mining company, but it's evolving into something much bigger. They're converting their crypto facilities into AI-ready data centers powered by clean, low-cost energy. Here's the kicker. Google recently invested in Terawulf. That's right. The same Google that runs the world's largest AI systems is now backing this small-cap stock. Their Lake Mariner and Nautilus facilities in New York and Pennsylvania run on hydro and nuclear power, giving them one of the lowest energy costs in the industry. That means AI companies can rent GPU computing space at a fraction of the price. With AI data center demand skyrocketing, Terawulf sits at the intersection of 2 explosive trends: AI and crypto infrastructure. High risk? Sure. High potential? Absolutely. Let's recap. SoundHound AI, voice AI leader under $5, riding the next tech wave. C3.ai, enterprise AI software giant with massive commercial contracts. Terawulf, Google-backed AI and crypto data center hybrid. All 3 offer different exposure to AI and digital transformation, and each has room to grow if momentum continues in 2025. But remember, penny stocks are volatile. They can deliver huge returns, but they can also drop fast. Always do your own research, diversify your portfolio, and never invest money you can't afford to lose. This content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. The goal is to learn the market, spot opportunities, and make smarter decisions as investors. So, which of these 3 penny stocks do you think has the best chance to explode in 2025? Drop your pick down below in the comments. And if you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more AI and stock market deep dives, and hit the notification bell so you never miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.